Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a practice model in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial we will learn how to construct a motor cap in Autodesk Inventor software. So this is a basic CAD model. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch and select the top plane, rotate the view. Here take the circle command. From the center point over here, make a circle of diameter 70 mm. Enter. Now take the 3D model, take extrude. Here we are going to take extrude of 30 mm. So this will be a one direction extrude and press OK. Now select this top edge, click on fillet and here take a fillet radius as 10 mm. OK and press OK. Now here we want this as a hollow profile. From here you can see this is hollow from bottom. When I rotate this, this is a hollow profile. Okay. So to make it a hollow profile, we will use shell command. So click on shell. Here we are going to take a thickness of 3 mm and select this bottom face. So this will make it a hollow profile with the remaining thickness of 3 mm and press OK. Now rotate this view and here select this top face. Go to create sketch. So this should be in top plane. Now here we are going to take the slot. Take the center point slot and select the center point and drag the slot vertically and make this. Okay, go to dimension, select the center to center distance here. This will be of 40 mm. Enter. And here the width of this slot will be of 2 mm. Okay, now here go to line command, make a horizontal line for reference, escape, select this line, make it a construction geometry and here take the linear pattern or the rectangular pattern, select this complete profile, go to direction 1, select this line and here okay, this line is also selected. Go to rectangular pattern once again, select only the slot profile, go to direction 1 and select this line. Here it will ask you the count and the center to center distance. So the count here will be of 4 and the center to center distance here will be of 6 mm. I want the same pattern this side as well. So go to direction 2, select the same line and here just click on flip, take a count of 4 and here take a center to center distance as 6. Okay, so here also you can see the pattern. Press OK. Now finish sketch and take the extrude command. Select complete profile, rotate the view and here click on cut. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Rotate the view again. Here you can see the cut profile. From top view, if you see, this is a through cut. Okay, go to home. Now here select this top face, click on create sketch and here take the circle command. From the center point, make here a circle of diameter 25. Okay, and from this same center a diameter of 15 mm. Okay, go to 3D model, take extrude. Here select this profile, take here extrude of 5 mm. Now here you can see this is outside this complete profile. So here we will take asymmetric extrude. So the top side extrude will be of 5 mm and this bottom side will be of 3 mm. Click here 3. As the thickness of this profile is 3 mm. To make this top profile, merge till this end. Okay. Rotate. Now press OK. Now here you can see this is merging with this. Now go to extrude 3, select sketch 3 and click on visible. Take the extrude, and this time we will only select the 15 dia. Okay, take here a symmetric and take it cut. Okay, so we'll make a through cut to make it a open profile. Okay, and press OK. Now select sketch 3, turn off the visibility. Now you can see this is a through cut. Okay, from bottom this will look like this. Now here select the fillet, take here a fillet radius of 2, go to edge selection, select this top edge, rotate and select this bottom. Okay, and press OK. Now go to home. Now we are going to make the mounting profiles. Here go to home. So we have constructed till this point. Now we are going to make these mounting profiles. Go to part 2, rotate the view. Now select this bottom face, go to create sketch, rotate it again. Okay, go to circle command. From the center point, make here a circle of diameter 85 and here make here a circle of diameter 16. From same center, make circle of diameter 8. Now here take the horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Escape. Okay, and here take the line command, make the joining profile here and one joining profile here. So these will be straight lines. Okay, if you are unable to see the straight line, you can see here. Okay, this constraint will be active. Now go to trim, trim this and trim this. Okay, escape, select this line. This is a reference line, make it a construction geometry. Now here go to trim once again, trim this inner profile, this and this. Escape. Now here you can see this is in a moving form. Okay, so to constrain it, go to dimension and define this again as 8 mm. So this complete will be of 16 mm. Okay, now here go to the arc command and take 3-point arc. Select this center point and select this point, make one arc here. Escape, select this convert entities and make it a construction line. Now take the concentric constraint, select this arc and select this. Escape. So this will be the profile which we want. Now here go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, go to home, rotate. Here we will take extrude of 2 mm and flip the direction to upside. Okay, here we are taking join and press OK. Now I want this same profile at 3 locations. So go to circular pattern, select extrude 5, go to rotation axis and select this face. Here we are going to take a count of 3, go to top. So this will be the view and press OK. Okay, go to home. Now here I will define the appearance. From here we will take glossy gold. So click here on glossy gold or any color you want to. Okay, so this will be the profile. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a motor cap in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.